Hello friends, welcome back to It's About Everything. So in today's video, I'm going to do something that I've seen on YouTube. So all you need is two razor blades and few matchsticks. You need to trim the top end of the matchstick, and after that it will look like this. So please watch till the end of this video, and you're going to need some wire to connect it to the electrical outlet. So let's begin building it. So it's very simple. You're going to need the razor blades and just do as I am showing. So in this way you need to fit the razor blade onto the matchstick and do the same with the other one. Be careful because the razor blades are really sharp. So you can see it's evenly spaced. Now I'm going to do the other side in the same way. So you can see it's completely fitted. Now all you need is you need to attach the wires, and these are the wires. I need to strip the end so that I can attach it to the blades. So I'm going to use my wire stripper. It's not that hard with a wire stripper, but if you are doing it with a scissor, it's going to be a little bit tough because scissor will cut the whole wire if you don't take care, or if you don't observe the wire carefully when you are cutting it. Now I'm going to attach the wire to the blades. Simple way, just twist and turn. Now I'm going to do the same on the other side. It's a very simple way to boil water. If you are a student and you live in hostel, then it's a good way to boil water. You can say it's a Jugaad, which is what we call DIY in Hindi. So with this Jugaad you can boil water, make some tea. So make sure you don't touch the water when you are boiling it because you will get electric shock. And make sure not to mix any soluble substances such as sugar or salt into the water because it will increase the conductivity and it will pull more electricity. You can just boil pure tap water or drinking water, and you can make tea out of it, but don't put the tea leaves or sugar or anything while it's boiling because it's going to increase the conductivity and eventually it will short out. So make sure not to put anything on the water while it's running. Once the water starts to boiling, then remove it, unplug it, and then use the water to make tea or anything else. So I'm going to take a glass of water and boil it. Okay guys, so here is the glass of water and I'm putting it inside the water. Make sure it's completely submerged, and now I'm going to turn the power on. So the power is turned on. Now let's see how long does it takes to boil. Okay guys, it's been 3 minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes now, and the glass is really hot from the outside and the water is about to boil. So I think the water will start boil in about 5 minutes or so. And one thing I forgot to mention is I use a glass made out of glass, because if you use metal or anything else, then it's going to short out from the outside and you touch it and you will get electric shock. So make sure that it's glass or ceramic or any other material, non-conductive material, then it's going to be safe. Otherwise you will end up electrocuting yourself. So let's wait for about a minute or so. So guys, it's going to start to boil any moment now, and I'm ready to pull the plug. So I'm going to pull the plug as soon as it starts boiling, because I don't want the water to spill out around and short out the outside of the glass. So it's about to boil. So it's like 15 more seconds, more like 30 seconds. So technically it's boiling right now, not on full steam, but it has started to boil. Now as the temperature of the water increases, the boiling will also increase, because it's going to pull more power. So I'm ready to pull the plug. This is how it sounds. So I hope you were able to hear the sound of boiling water. So guys, this was it. The water is completely boiling at full steam. Now if I want to boil egg, I can put an egg inside and boil it. And if I want to make tea, then I'm going to simply unplug it, pull the wire out, and then I'm going to add tea leaves and everything else. So I'm telling again, make sure not to add sugar, salt or tea leaves, anything into the water while it's boiling, because any type of solvent you put in, it will increase the conductivity of the water and it will increase the amperage or the current that it pulls. So you might blow your fuse or the circuit breaker. So make sure to boil only tap water or drinking water and nothing else. So I hope you like this video. If so, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are new, and share it with your friends. And there is a red button right over here, click it and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon with a new video. Have a nice day.